Feel like me look hot, so I just want to see it now for sure.
Yeah. All right. Ready? All right.
Hello.
You like it?
I never dismiss.
Welcome back, guys. What's up? Today I'm here with Nadula here again. Open it. I see a wig cap. I see this little goodie bag. So let's see what's inside. I have a wig cap. Another wig cap. Wow, okay. I have a rat tail comb. I also have a pair of lashes. Ooh, this will be nice for today's look. Oh, and they sent me a pair of earrings. Okay. Today's video will actually be a makeover, guys, so I'm excited for this. So this is some Brazilian hair. It's 24 inches long. It's body wave. Ooh, this is nice. Remember, this is the Streak series, guys. So today we're here with another beautiful highlighted wig, nicely streaked with blonde. Gosh, this is so pretty. It's very soft, very silky. I want to maintain this very nice curly body wave look for today's makeover. I definitely have that in my head. I can't wait. It's the first time this person is going to be, on my channel, so she's going to be today's model. And so today we're working with a 13x4 wig. The inside has 3 combs, adjustable straps in the back. And yeah, that's how that looks. It's also nicely pre-plucked, so I'm happy for that. And yeah, that's how the wig looks. So let's go ahead and jump into this Glam. This is today's model. Yes. So go ahead, tell them who you are.
Hi, sweet.
Watch out.
Today. Hi, I'm Chantal, but you probably know me as Chantelani, or you probably don't know me. Who knows?
Why you name Chantal and then they call yourself Chantelani? I'm so confused.
Somebody. It's a long story, but basically, like in high school, we did know somebody, and then they'd start calling me Chante. I said that about me like that.
Okay.
And then my middle name is Elaine, and my sister always call me Elaine. So I'm just combining them and be like, bam.
Alright, cool.
I don't think I've even ever told that story.
Yeah, it's just weird to me.
Chante Elaine. Enough time people see me already, hi Chante, and people like I know.
Because Chante is stuck in my head now, like, but no, remember when we used to wait in there, you always correct people say it's not Chantal, it's Chantal. But now I see Chante, and I'm like, oh my gosh. What do I say?
It's Chantal with an O.
Yeah. Oh my gosh. So she recently did like a buzz cut, right? So today I'm gonna know she wanna just switch up the look. So yeah, the same we're gonna just show no. She's yes. How you feel about this?
From a cut off my ear, I keep on saying to myself, I want to buy one wig.
Okay, alright, cool. And it's done so short already, very easy to install.
Very easy.
So yeah guys, that's the vibes. I'm gonna go ahead and get started, install this, and then I guess when I come back to the makeup portion, when I reach the makeup portion, I'll come back. The install is gonna be with this glue. So alright, so you guys know that I've worked with Kiss before and they sent me their other glue, and I was really intrigued to get this one. So the other day I actually went on Amazon and this was the last one in stock. So them said it's waterproof, so I guess that's why it sell out so fast. So me, I go put this to the, I will try it out. Now I go really put it to the taste. I don't know if I go in the water.
Might go to the beach.
But it is summer and you sweat a lot. So maybe she can give me an update, and maybe on my next video I can tell you how it works out.
Give you a quick review.
Yes, and this is what I'm gonna use.
Lego. Original man. When they say it's about nothing, man, I tell them it's my life. Man, I chilling in the studio, man, I vibing, it's my life. And to play, then they use me to play. Man, I vibing all day. Man, I use me to play. I spitting for me bars, me I never back down. 1, 2, 3, me up on the countdown, man down. If you test me, man down. Original bad man, me I run town. Them try to downgrade, bad man fi upgrade. Then try to evade, bad man fi evade. They can't believe it, they love how I spit it. They know I'm gon' kill it, and they know I'm gon' kill it. When they say it's about nothing, man, I tell them it's my life. Man, I chillin' in the studio, man, I vibing, it's my life. And to play, then they use me to play. Man, I vibing all day. Man, I use me to play. I counting up these stocks, just trying to make a million. Spitting these bars from deep down within. You already know it's a killing when I'm spitting. If you're a hater, you can see me when you see me. Hold on, me not telling me the whole on. Calm down, me they telling me they calm down, man down. Is a man down. Bad man, them a see me round. When they say it's bad, not the man I tell them it's my life. Man I tell them in the studio, man I vibe in this life. And to play, then they use me to play. Man I vibe in all day. Man I use me to play. Original, Batman, oh, eh, oh, VQ's on the vibe.
It's VQ's.
Standard.
Done dada, fire can't cool me a bonfire.
Original Batman.
It's VQ's.
Me a run dire.
Standard.
She give me pon me heart, say she give me pon me heart. Fine girl a coming on me heart, say she bounce pon the thing so. Whine it pon me thing so, put the thing upon me thing, whine it pon me thing so. I say she whine it pon me heart. Man I give it to her one time, say she want it one time. Whine it pon me heart. Man I step in at the yard, make the girls them say I not bad man, they want to say I. She not bad man, they want to feel. Say she give me pon me heart, say she give me pon me thing so. Whine it pon me girl, say she whine it pon me thing so.
I am done with the installation. So alright, what we're gonna do now is pretty much just curl up the hair because we want that nice bouncy curly vibe. And
Wow!
Yeah.
I'm excited.
And then we're gonna jump in at the makeup. I feel like I wanna do a nice little cut crease. So that's the vibe we're going for today. I'm not sure about the colors and stuff yet, but yeah, it's going good so far.
Done dada, fire can't cool me a bonfire.
Original Batman.
It's VQ's.
Me a run dire.
Standard.
She give me pon me heart, say she give me pon me heart. Fine girl a coming on me heart, say she bounce pon the thing so. Whine it pon me thing so, put the thing upon me thing, whine it pon me thing so. I say she whine it pon me heart. Man I give it to her one time, say she want it one time. Whine it pon me heart. Man I step in at the yard, make the girls them say I not bad man, they want to say I. She not bad man, they want to feel. Say she give me pon me heart, say she give me pon me thing so. Whine it pon me girl, say she whine it pon me thing so. Move your body pon me thing and whine it pon me thing so. Come they sing so, whine it pon me thing so. I not bad man, they want to say I. She not bad man, they want to feel.
Done dada, fire can't cool me a bonfire.
Original Batman.
Nobody says me a run dire.
African style, me hit the dance like Bob Marley, me style. You understand me, no made in Japan. We changing style with the girl, system warning.
Me a not go waste time. Me a stand in the city, me a canteen a baseline, live line. Can't understand why I waste time. Your body nice, fuck up on me a waistline. I mean a bad man, they want to say. I mean a bad man, they want to feel.
Say she give me pon me heart, say she give me pon me thing so. Whine it pon me girl, say she whine it pon me thing so. Move your body pon me thing and whine it pon me thing so. Come they sing so, whine it pon me thing so. I not bad man, they want to say I. She not bad man, they want to feel.
Done dada, fire can't cool me a bonfire. Better than you, me a spitfire. Nobody says me a run dire.
It's VQ's.
Original Batman.
Standard.
Lego. It's the original Batman. Original Batman. Oh.
It's VQ's.
Aye. Gucci on the Prada, say me feeling bad. I be looking like the nigga that you wish you had. Them my girls, them a coming, them a looking bad. Man, I rolling with my niggas and we moving mad. So me light on up and put it up till the morning. Them I know that your mind, so they be stalling. And I be always there to answer whenever you're calling. And you always hold me down whenever it's boring. So sexy when you think about, I can't tell me nothing. What you talk about? Man, I light you up, you will turn me on. Man, I play my song, you will sing along. You got me elevated like I hit the bomb. 007, man, I James Bond. Me wanna get that feeling, something that give me that healing. Me, I don't want to tire, so me, I light up the fire. Me wanna get that feeling, something that give me that healing. Me, I don't want to tire, so me, I light up the fire. Girl, them I want a bad man, put a ring on it. You're the only one me I really gotta think of. Trust me when I say you're the only one I feel for. Wine for me, girl, them I really try confuse me. For the money, me not flip on your head. You got a thing that go Chris for a man. I got the money, so they sing for me, girl. Wine for me, girl, she a wine for me, man. Now if you lose control, you got the fire can cool, let's get the groove on. On a cruise control, let the vibes come true, let's make a move on. Them really wanna stress up on me. Bad man, them really can't stress up on me. I really wanna test man for him. Bad man, them really wanna test me man for him. Get that feeling, something that give me that healing. Me, I don't want to tire, so me, I light up the fire. Me wanna get that feeling, something that give me that healing. Me, I don't want to tire, so me, I light up the fire. Lego. It's the original Batman. Original Batman. Oh.
It's VQs.
Gucci on the Prada, say me feeling bad. I be looking like the nigga that you wish you had. Them my girls, them a coming, them a looking bad. Man, I rolling with my niggas and we moving mad. So me light on up and put it up till the morning. Them I know that your mind, so they be stalling. And I be always there to answer whenever you're calling. And you always hold me down whenever it's boring. So sexy when you think about, I can't tell me.
Some look nice. My transform.
Guys, this is it. I love this. I love this for you. And I think it's time that I give her the mirror so she can see herself. She don't
reveal it to me. I feel like I look at, so I just want to see it now for sure.
Yeah. All right. Ready? All right. Sugar kitty. It's
Talk
like, man, I like it.
No.
You like it?
I never dismiss. Palma good.
The whole time when I turn on the LCD screen, but she see the guys. She just been here chilling like why did Lando? Yes, the hair. How you feel about the hair? From bald to Beyonce.
Like me, I said maybe me need to go back, but me can't look so. Hello?
I love the highlights.
The color here on my
yes, it goes so perfect with your skin tone. Yes, I love.
Let's get into the cut crease though, like
sharp. Yes, summer vibes,
sharp.
colors, tropical. That's what I was going for.
No, anything you don't go for, you're fine.
That's what I was going for. Yes, guys. Nadula, you did it again. This wig is gorgeous.
This? That wig here?
Yeah.
It.
Yep.
That see me good?
Yeah, photo shoot settings today. Same so. Yeah, guys.
Yes.
So that's pretty much it for this little makeover, this little glam today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm going to be sure to put all the specifications of this wig in my description box. So please go ahead and check it out. And don't forget to go ahead and check out Shantae Laney YouTube channel. Now check it out right now because she have black also just something. Last time she got Trinidad Carnival, she go with herself, she go with a bag of things. Go check out her channel, you know? Yeah. So yeah guys, that's it for today. Give them the slow-mos, give them the pose. Ready, go.
So sexy when you think about. I can't tell me nothing. What you talk about? Man, I light you up. You were tell me.
Yes, that you understand she understand the camera though. Alright.
I understood the assignment.
You did. You definitely did. Yes guys, so that's it for today and I'll see you in my next video. So until then, bye. Bye.
Nothing. What you talk about? Man, I light you up. You were tell me on. Man, I play my song. You were sing along. You got me elevated like I hit the bomb. 007. Man, I James Bond. Me wanna get that feeling. Something that give me that.